Hello everyone, welcome to Mystic Pour Studio. I have received many queries where people have asked me what I use to color my resin projects. So I decided to create a video showcasing all the materials I use. So let's begin. After mixing the resin and hardener, I let it sit for a while to allow the bubbles to rise and pop. Today I am using candle holder molds and exploring 5 different color techniques: mica powder, glitter powder, pigment paste, alcohol inks, and sparkles. I'll start by pouring some resin into a smaller container and adding pink pearl mica powder. The amount of mica depends on how opaque or vibrant you want the color to be. Since this mold has a lot of intricate corners, I'll pinch the petals to ensure the resin reaches every corner of the mold. For the second mold, I am using alcohol inks. I am adding drops of ink directly into the mold without pouring any resin first. After that, I'll pour clear resin over the inks. You can see how beautifully the inks spread, creating unique and intricate patterns. For this mold, I'm using alcohol inks again, but this time in reverse order. I'm first pouring in the clear resin and then adding the alcohol inks. Next, I'll be using this sparkly chocolate colored glitter powder. Glitter powders not only add sparkle to the resin but also provide rich, vibrant color. If you are aiming for a shimmering effect in a specific color, glitter powders are your best option. For the final candle holder, I'll be using pigment paste along with some sparkle. The color intensity depends on how much pigment you add. The more you use, the darker and more opaque the color will be. I am also incorporating gold sparkle. Since the sparkle is heavier than the resin, it tends to settle at the bottom of the mold. I am aiming for this effect so that when the piece is demolded, the sparkle will be visible on the base and rim of the candle holder. Let's leave these to cure for at least 12 hours. It's time to demold. All the candle holders have hardened completely, so let's demold them one by one. The mica powder has created a beautiful shiny and smooth finish on the resin, and it has come out wonderfully. While the yellow alcohol ink has dominated a bit, you can still see gorgeous green veins running through the resin, resulting in a stunning effect. In this one, the alcohol inks have sunk to the bottom of the mold, creating an illusion of depth with both colors and clear spaces in between. The glitter has produced a layered effect, making the candle holder look as if it was crafted by pouring in different layers of glitter and clear resin. Wow, this is one of my favorite colors and I think the result is stunning. I anticipated the sparkle would settle at the bottom of the mold, and that's exactly what has happened. It was exciting to see how each method brought its unique charm to the final pieces. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring for your own resin projects. If you enjoyed the process or learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative content. Thank you for watching everyone. Stay tuned for more.